Kane County.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kane County and northeastern Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hampshire or near Hunley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gilbert's, Carpentersville, Valley View, Ingree Grove, Wayne, West Belvidere, Campton Hills, Burlington, Hampshire, East Belvidere, Elgin, South Elgin, Sleepy Hollow, St. Charles, Algonquin, Hunley, Barrington Hills, West Chicago, and Bartlett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather station.